Hi everybody, I'm Jennifer Wendland and I may have discovered the perfect camping chair. For 6 years, we've used the Pico telescoping camping chairs. They've served us well and we'll continue to use them. But this is my new and favorite chair. Believe it or not, it's a rocker, and I've always been partial to rocking chairs. It's the GCI Freestyle Rocker, and it rocks because of these springs, which look a lot like shock absorbers. It weighs about 12 pounds, has its own drink holder, and it folds up very easy. Just pull this handle and it's easy for transport.
Hey!
We easily store our freestyle rocker in the back of our Road Trek CS Adventurous motorhome. The chair comes in several different colors and has a 250-pound weight limit. We like it so much, we'll probably get a second one for Mike. We bought this at Dick's Sporting Goods for $50, but it's also available on Amazon, and I'll put a link to it on the description below. I'm Jennifer Wendland, and before you go, please subscribe to our RV Lifestyle channel right here on YouTube.